Before you begin, when you first log into VIZZN, you're going to get a screen that is this default screen that's going to show you all the transactions going on in that particular day is going to be on the screen. A couple things to understand about navigation within VIZZN. Let's start here. See these three little bars here? If you click those, it collapses your screen. This becomes more important when you're working on an iPad on the web app, just to create the screen so it's a little bit bigger so you can see your transactions a little bit bigger. The forward and back arrows, as you start to go into events and details of events and let's go into job sites, for example, and I go to sites and then I go to VIZZN off sites. These back arrows take me back to the previous screen that I was on. The next thing to know is whenever you see a bell in the system, this is a subscription bell. So this is how you would filter the information, and we'll get that into calendars and subscriptions in a future module. One of the really cool features about VIZZN is you can have as many screens open as you want. So not only can you see on one screen a whole bunch of different subscriptions, but you can also create another screen. So say I want this screen open as well as this. I will double click, two-finger click on an apple or right click. I can open it in a new tab. And so now I have two versions of VIZZN going at the same time. As far as settings inside VIZZN, if you click your name over there, and this is bills, so we're going to go into settings. You want to make sure you put your do not disturb schedule on and what time you don't want to be disturbed at, and everything in the system is in airport time. And then you put your profile settings inside there. And you can also sign out from there. But that's the basics of how to move around VIZZN before you begin.